Okay. So all of you are aware about the triangle. So the triangle which we will be dealing in today's session with is a right angled triangle. A right angled triangle. Okay. This is A, this is B, and this is C. The triangle is a right angled triangle at angle B. I hope all of you are aware about right angled triangle, isn't it? Everybody? Yeah. So now, based on this, so let's say, let's choose this angle. Okay. And let's name this angle as angle theta. So this is written as theta. Okay. You call it as theta. It's a Greek alphabet. And here we are using it as a symbol to represent the angle of this triangle. Okay. Now, every side of the triangle has a name according to the angle which we have chosen. Right? So the common name for any angle we choose, the longest side will always retain its name. The longest side of this right angle triangle is called as hypotenuse, denoted by H. So I repeat, what do we call the longest side of the triangle? All of you, what do we call longest side of the triangle?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. Very good.
Hypotenuse.
Now, very good. Now, the side which is opposite to the angle. So opposite to this angle theta is the side BC. All of you, yes or no? This side BC is the side opposite to this angle, right? This side is called as perpendicular. So what do we call this side, which is opposite to the angle?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. Very good. Now, so question for all of you is, if I call, or let's say, if this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, then the last side will be this side, and this side is called as base. Okay. So hypotenuse is the longest side. Side which is opposite to the angle is called perpendicular, and this is the third side. Now, if I choose this angle, let's call this angle as phi. Phi bolte hain isko. Which side will be opposite to angle phi? All of you. Which side will be opposite to angle phi?
Base.
No. Name AB or BC or CD like that.
AB.
AB. So the side opposite to phi is, when we choose this angle phi, this side will become perpendicular, isn't it? It was base when we chose theta. When we are choosing phi, this side becomes the perpendicular. Everybody understood or not? So if this is perpendicular, yes, this is base. Kids, all of you, understood or not?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes, Nilangshi, Jagdish, Ansh,
yes, sir.
Arshit, R. Prajeet. Good. So
Yes, sir.
always remember this, right? Now, once we are aware about the names of the sides of the triangle, okay, based depending on which angle we choose, it's time to learn about the trigonometric functions. Okay. So what are trigonometric functions? These are the functions which relates the sides and the angles of the triangle. Okay. So for example, I'll give you one example. Suppose all of you has operated a television in your lifetime. Yes or no? Everybody knows how to operate a television. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how do you operate a television? Using a remote? isn't it?
Yes, sir, we can use the remote to operate it.
Yes, you can use the remote to operate it. So who gives the input to the remote?
Us.
You give the input to the remote, right? You press the button. If you want to increase the volume of the television, you press the button of volume, right? If you want to increase the brightness, you press the button of brightness in the television. So like that. Now what happens? Once you are pressing the button of the remote, the function is getting activated, is activating the property of the television. Inside the television, there is some mechanism which is actually increasing or decreasing the volume, right?
Sir.
Here also the same thing happens. The television, the remote was the connect between what you want and the television, right? So between you and the television, the connect was the remote. Here also, between the sides and the angles of triangle, the connect is the trigonometric function. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So how these functions, they actually relate the angles and the sides. So there are 6 basic trigonometric functions. I'll make you aware about the 6 of them, but we will be using only first 3, right? So today only. So sine, the first function is sine. In short, we call it as sine, right? SIN, we write it as SIN. Second one is cosine. It is cos. Third one is tangent. It is tan. Fourth one is cosecant. It is cosec. Fifth one is secant. It is sec. And the last one is cotangent. It is cot. So these are the 6 basic functions, trigonometric functions of, these are the 6 basic functions of trigonometry. So the first function, sine, the input here is given of the angle theta. So sine theta, how does this sine relates this angle theta with the sides of the triangle? So when you do sine theta, you get the ratio of these two sides, perpendicular and hypotenuse. मैं हिंदी में भी बोलता हूं, जब आप थीटा का इनपुट यहां पे देते हैं साइन को, तो you get the ratio of these two sides. I hope all of you understood this. The input is of the angle. When you are giving the input of the angle to this trigonometric function, the output which it is giving is the ratio of the sides. Got it, everybody?
Yes.
The second is cos theta.
Yes, sir.
When the input of angle is given to cos, it gives us a value of b by h. Third one is tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio of sine theta to cos theta. It will be p by h upon b by h. Eventually, it becomes p by b. Now, fourth one is cosec theta. It is nothing but inverse of sine theta. So it is h by p. Fifth one is sec theta. It is 1 by cos theta. It is h by b. And the last one is cot theta. It is 1 upon tan theta. And this is b by p. So this is how the sides and the angles of the triangle are related from these 6 basic trigonometric functions. This is how the sides of the triangle and angle are related using these 6 basic trigonometric functions. Any one of you is having any queries or any challenge, please ask. Anybody is having any queries or any challenge, please ask. You can ask. कोई चैलेंज नहीं है, कोई डाउट नहीं है बेटा किसी को भी? नीलांशी, जगदीश?
No, sir.
Harshit,
No, sir.
R.
No, sir.
Pradeep.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
good. So please make notes now. Start making notes and please make notes neatly. Okay, treat this as your first session of foundation program. Okay, do it quickly. And once you have made notes, please type done in the comment window. Okay, all of you. Pradeep Sharma, I think you have attended the session earlier also, isn't it, Pradeep?
Yes, sir.
Ah, but I am repeating the same thing. If you want, you can be here. No worries. Okay. This is the same
Okay,
session
sir.
which was conducted for you. Yeah.
Okay,
If you
sir.
want, you can be here. No worries. Chalo. Everybody noted?
Noting, sir.
Chalo. I hope all of you are done with this. Everybody noted it?
Sir.
Okay. So once you are aware about the trigonometric functions, let's learn about quadrants of a circle. So what are quadrants? When we divide a circle into four equal parts, when we divide a circle into four equal parts, we call each part as a quadrant. We call each part as a quadrant. So this is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant. This is the fourth quadrant. Now, how come I know that these are the first, second, third, and fourth quadrant? Using these reference angles. First quadrant it lies between 0 and 90 degrees, right? First quadrant lies in between 0 and 90 degrees. All of you, first quadrant lies in between which two angles?
0 and 90 degrees.
0 and 90. Second lies in between?
90 degrees.
Second lies in between?
90 to 180.
Very good. 90 to 180. Third lies in between?
180 to 270.
And fourth lies in between?
270.
270 to 360.
Very good. So these
360.
angles are called, when these angles are called as reference angles, right? These angles are called as reference angles. Okay. So now we know that every quadrant lies in between these two angles. Okay. So one of them is greater, one of them is greater than the other one, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Between 0 and
Yes,
90, 0 is lesser than 90, right? Between 90 and 180, 90 is lesser than 180. Between 180 and 270, 270 is greater than 180. And between 270 and 360, 270 is lesser than 360 or 360 is greater than 270, right? So there are always two reference angles for each quadrant. Now, as there are reference angles for each quadrant, there are these standard angles also. Now, why they are called as standard angles? Because they are most frequently used angles, right? Initially, when you will be learning trigonometry, these are the most frequently used angles in trigonometry. These angles are 30 degrees for the first quadrant, right? This is 45 degrees and this is 60 degrees. So 30, 45 and 60 degrees. These angles are called as standard angles of the first quadrant. Standard angles of the first quadrant. All of you. Understood? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Good. Now,
Sir.
any doubts? Anybody is having any doubts?
No,
किसी को
sir.
डाउट है बेटा? मुझे बाद
No,
में
sir.
आवाज आई सर करके तो मैंने सोचा पूछ लेता हूँ. बच्चों, if you have any doubts, please पूछना बेटा, हाँ? So now, to find the standard angles of second, third, and the fourth quadrant, we first है add the standard angles of the first quadrant to the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant. Okay. So let's try to apply this rule. Okay. Now, तो यहाँ पे second quadrant में, in the second quadrant, what we will do is we want to find the standard angles of the second quadrant. So which are the reference angles of this quadrant, second quadrant? Everybody. Which are the two
90
reference
degrees
angles?
and 180 degrees.
So which one of them is smaller one?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So to this 90 degrees, add the standard angles of the first quadrant. Got it? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So this is 120 degrees, 135 degrees, and 150 degrees. I hope everybody understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Now, regarding the second rule, either this rule or this rule, right? You can also subtract the standard angles of the first quadrant from the larger reference angle of the respective quadrant. Respective मतलब जिस quadrant की बात हो रही है ना, the quadrant which we are talking about. Okay. So what do we do here? Anybody who can help me in this? Who want to volunteer, participate? How to find it? चलो किससे पूछूं मैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
tell me.
Yes, sir. I can, sir.
You are Prajeet.
No, sir, Arshit.
Arshit. Yes. बोलो.
Yes, sir. We can subtract 180 from 90.
नहीं
180 minus 90 degrees. 180 minus 60 degrees.
90 नहीं बेटा. 30, 45
45 and 60.
and 60 है ना. 90 तो नहीं. 90 is not a standard angle ना. So this is 150, 135 and 120 degrees. So you can see here that either you use this method or this method, you get the same angles. Got it? I hope all of you understood this. Anybody is having any doubt? R. Prajeet, Nilangshi,
No, sir.
Jagdish,
No, sir.
Ansh. Okay. If you don't have any doubts, then before you start making notes, you have to do this exercise. Do this quickly. Find. First, you have to give me the answers. Okay. Find the standard angles of the third and fourth quadrant. Okay. Type the answer in the comment window while I check your answer. Meanwhile, you make notes. Okay. All of you understood the instruction? Everybody? Are, say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Please do it quickly.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Nilangshi. Arshit, your 180 plus 45 का एडिशन चेक कर ले बेटा एक बार. अर्षित श्रीवास्तव, check your answers. Pradeep Sharma, your answers are correct. Jagdish, your answers are also correct. Very good. Nilangshi, your answers for the fourth quadrant are also correct. Very good. Arshit, please check your answers and correct it, beta. Huh? Meanwhile, those of you who have got all your answers correct, R. Prajeet, you have not sent me your answers. Please send it, beta.
Sir, one.
Take your time. Take your time. No worries. Meanwhile, rest of you can make notes who have already sent me. Those who have not sent me or who has got wrong answers, correct it and then you can send.
दिल्ली से लेकर उत्तर प्रदेश तक इस वक्त खूब चर्चा में है।
Very good, Ansh. अर्षित करेक्ट किया बेटा?
Yes, sir. Done.
वो तो फिर तुमने वो वाला नहीं किया ना, देखो लास्ट वाला 180 + 60 वाला भी नहीं किया तुमने करेक्ट, उसको चेक करो। वेरी गुड प्रजीत। Those of you who have made notes, please. All of you have done the notes. Everybody noted? Prajit? Done? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So something more about, some more information about the quadrants. Okay. So just pay attention quickly, huh? So I'll be using this term. I'll be using this term here, trigonometric values. So trigonometric values are the values of sine, cos and tan of the angles. Okay? The values of sine, cos and tan of the angles, right? So these are the trigonometric values. So for the first quadrant, trigonometric values of all the angles are positive in the first quadrant. Okay? इसमें क्या है? This is only sine of all the angles is positive in the second quadrant. ठीक है? इसमें always remember cos and tan. Cos of the angles and tan of the angles. Tan are negative. I'll give you examples, don't worry. Third one. only tan of all the angles is positive in the third quadrant, right? Sine and cos are negative in it. Last में only cos of all the angles is positive in the fourth quadrant. यहाँ पे sine and tan are negative in it, right? तो sine, cos और ये सब जो है these are. So let's see some examples. Suppose I ask you, what is sine of 30 degrees? Positive or negative? First, what you will do is, please pay attention, all of you. First, you will check this angle lies in which quadrant? All of you, tell me this angle lies in which quadrant?
First
Quadrant
quadrant.
number 1.
First quadrant. Shabash. So, first quadrant में trigonometric values, sine, cos and everything, sine, cos and tan are already positive, right? So, this will be, the value of this will be positive. What about tan of 18 degrees? Quickly. Positive or negative? All of you?
Positive.
Positive.
It's positive, right? Because 18 degrees lies in the first quadrant. Tan is positive in the first, right? Regarding the second quadrant, check. If I ask you what is sine of 120 degrees? So you check the angle. This angle lies in which quadrant? Everybody?
Second
Second
quadrant.
quadrant.
Second quadrant. Second quadrant
It
में
is
sine is?
negative.
नहीं,
Negative.
नहीं, sine.
Positive.
Sine is positive. Very good. What about cos 164 degrees?
Negative.
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 Negative. Shabash. I hope everybody understood this. Nilamshi, Arshit,
Yes, sir.
Pauli, R. Prajeet,
Yes, sir.
Ansh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jagdish.
Yes.
ठीक है. Now this last one. नहीं, lastly, second last one. 270. If I ask you what is tan of 240 degrees? Positive or negative?
Positive.
It is
Positive.
positive because this angle lies in the third quadrant, right? So now I am giving you some examples. Sorry, I am giving you an exercise. So do this exercise, all of you. I'm just mentioning the angles like this. So sine of 330 degrees. Don't write your answers here. You have to send me in the chat window, solve it, and send all the answers in one message only. Okay. Cos of 225 degrees. Tan of 115 degrees. Fourth is tan 330 degrees. Sine 240 degrees. Cos 315 degrees. Seventh is sine 315 degrees. Eighth is cos 120 degrees. Ninth is sine 210 degrees. And last is cos, or let's write tan 310 degrees. So please just write in the same sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just positive or negative in one message in the comment. And once you have given me that answer, then only you can start making notes. Okay? लिखो बेटा शाबाश. I'm waiting for your answers. Ansh is all negative except 6. Is it? Hmm. Very good, Ansh. Very good, Arshit. You have given the reasons also. Very good. नीलांशी फोर्थ वाला बेटा एक बार चेक करना, हाँ। फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, नहीं फिफ्थ तुमने लिखा नहीं है, चेक करो एक बार, जस्ट मेक नंबर्स डालो और फिर चेक करो। वेरी गुड पॉली। प्रजीत, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर। प्रजीत,
Sir,
अर्शित,
one more.
प्लीज। हाँ हाँ, यू टेक योर टाइम। नीलांशी, प्लीज चेक योर आंसर्स। नो वरीज बेटा, आंसर बस चेक करके राइट इट करेक्टली, ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू। See, sine 240. 240 lies in which quadrant, Nilankshi? It lies in third quadrant, right? And sine is negative here. So this will be negative. See, only this is positive. Rest all of them are negative here. And you can start making your notes if you don't have any doubts. If you have doubts, you can please ask me which one to explain. I'll explain that one to you. Okay? Quickly. Very good, Prajeet. Please make notes, kids, quickly, huh?
Okay,
Done, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, I hope all of you have noted it. All of you noted? Nilangshi, Arshit, Ansh. जगदीश जगदीश आंसर नहीं भेजा बेटा. चलो जगदीश, noted, done with the slides, done with making notes. Okay, so now once we are now aware about the quadrants of the circles, let's try to find out, let's discuss about standard triangles. Okay, now what are these standard triangles? Standard triangles, using these standard triangles, we will find the trigonometric values of the standard angles of the first quadrant. Okay, trigonometric values of the standard angles of the first quadrant. So this first one is an isosceles right angle triangle. The second one is a scalene triangle, right angle triangle. And this last one is this is not about the standard angles of the first quadrant, this last triangle, but this is a unique triangle which has the smallest Pythagorean triplet. So just to make sure that all of you are aware about, to be sure that all of you are aware about Pythagoras theorem, I am just mentioning this theorem to all of you. Some of you may be aware of it. So this
Yes,
is a
sir.
right angle triangle, A, B, and C. The sides of these triangles are, let's call these sides as same. This is perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse. Okay. So sum of the squares of the sides perpendicular and base of the triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. That is AC square. Clear? So, or you can say that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So please remember this. This is called as Pythagoras theorem. Okay. I hope anyone who is unaware about it, Arshid, Jagdish, Pauli,
No, sir.
Ansh,
No, sir.
Prajit, you are aware
No,
about
sir.
this? Okay. Good. So this is the first triangle. Let's say the side angles are A, B, and C. This is A, B, and C, and this is also A, B, and C. Okay. This angle is 45 degrees. This is one of the standard angles of the first quadrant. The smaller one here is 30. This is 90. This one is 60. And this triangle is made up of the smallest Pythagorean triplet, 3, 4, and 5. This angle is 53 degrees. And so this angle will be 37 degrees. Got it? This is 1. The sides are, this you have to memorize, 1, 1, and root 2. Here, you have to make the sides from the smallest integers, right? So here, 30 degree के सामने वाला opposite side is 1. This is 2, and this side is root 3. So you have to memorize it in some way or the other, right? Okay, there is no second root for it. So now you have to find, all of you have to find these values. Sine 30, cos 30, sine 45, cos 45, sine 60, cos 60, sine 37 degrees, cos 37 degrees. Always remember the angle between, in this case, the angle between 5 and 3 is 53. So this is how you can relate. Ninth one is sine 53. And the last one is cos 53 degrees. This is what you have to find. I'll do one of them for you. So let's take this 53 only. For this 53, for this 53 degree, this side will be perpendicular, this side will be hypotenuse, and this side will be base. All of you agree to this or not? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
I can hear only one voice. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sine 53 degrees, sine is given as, sine theta is given as perpendicular upon hypotenuse from the first slide of today's session. And cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So sine 53 degrees is 4 upon 5. Got it? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this case? Anybody is having any doubts in this case? Please ask. Chalo. कोई doubt नहीं है अगर to start solving this quickly. Write the answers
Sir,
in
I
the
don't
comment window
understand.
first. Which one? You are?
Sir, the ninth one.
You are?
Nilanshi Gupta.
नीलांशी. क्या नहीं समझ आया बेटा? फिफ्थ तुमको परपेंडिकुलर बेस और हाइपोटेन्यूज समझ आया?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हम्म तो साइन थीटा की
हाँ
वैल्यू होती परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो 53 डिग्री जब है तो परपेंडिकुलर कौन सा साइड होगा बेटा? 4 होगा. और
हाँ
हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या होगा? 5 होगा. यस और नो?
ओ ठीक ओके सर अंडरस्टूड
समझे? शाबाश.
हाँ
चलो तो लिखो. ऑल ऑफ यू नोट इट क्विकली. दिस इज द फर्स्ट triangle, second triangle, and the third one. All of you find the angles here. Find the values quickly. Very good, Polly. But your 8th and 9th answer are same? Yes, yes. 8th and 9th are same. Very good. Anybody else? Answers?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Typing.
Sure. Please take your time. No worries, beta. Take your time. But do it properly, huh? Very good, Prajeet. Very good, Arshit. Shabash.
Okay.
So most of you got it correct. So I'll write the answers. You can check yourself also if you have got any, if I have missed anybody's correction, so you can correct it on your own, okay? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 over root 2. Cos 45 is 1 over root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 over 2. Sine 37 is 3 by 5. Cos 37 is 4 by 5. This is 3 by 5. All of you, you can check it quickly.
All correct, sir.
All correct. Shabash. Everybody, all of you, all correct?
All correct, sir.
Very good. So, if it is all correct for all of you, then we'll stop the session here. Okay. So, before we part, I just want a quick feedback from all of you about today's session. Harshit, you did it or not?
Yes, sir.
हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
Yes, sir. हो गया.
हो गया ना? हाँ, ठीक. So just give me a quick feedback, Nilankshi, starting with Nilankshi. So Nilankshi, how was the session for you?
Sir, so good.
समझ आया?
हाँ sir.
Any doubts still there?
No sir.
No? Sure? So
Sure.
you think it's an easy chapter for you, right?
Yes.
Good. Harshit, what about you? How was the session
Yes,
for you?
yes,
Any
sir. I
doubts?
understand. No,
Everything?
sir. I understand.
Okay, good. Jagdish and Ansh.
Very nice, sir.
Very nice. Ansh,
Yes, sir.
So the class was nice. I learned something new. Thank you, sir.
you're welcome. So, uh, Pauli, how was the session for you?
Sir, it was a pleasant session.
Present session. So you attended
Yes,
it again. Good. Thank you so much, kids. Nishchal Sai. Sir, if you are there or if
Sir,
kids,
I
you
am
can.
here, sir.
Oh.
It was very nice session, sir. Really, I enjoyed.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Your son or daughter didn't come?
Sir, no, sir. They are attending the other class.
Oh, shall I send? I'll send you the recording, sir. Don't worry. You can just ask them to attend, to go through it, and whether your son is there or daughters.
Sir, my son and daughter both are there, sir.
Acha, both are there. Okay, okay,
Both
okay.
are.
So just ask them to go through it, sir. If they have any difficulties or any queries, we can. So this is the way
sir.
it flows.
Sir.
Yes, yes,
Sir,
Pradeep.
sorry, sir. Sir, because someone pulled the network code. That's why it was someone.
So you are the youngest in the lot. So tell me whether you understood today's session or not. How was the feedback for today's session?
Sir, it is too easy. So it is too easy, sir, to learning about standard triangles.
Huh. So you enjoyed, right? Or
Yes, sir,
not?
I enjoyed.
So
I
this is
enjoyed.
the way, if you
Great.
build your foundation, this way, it will definitely help you to learn the things easily, right? So we are doing basic maths. After this, we do physics. Okay. So you learn many
Okay,
new
sir.
things. You will be learning trigonometry, you will learn about vectors, you will learn about calculus, and then we will start with physics. Okay. So physics is basically all these topics, whatever you are learning here in maths will be applied to physics. Okay. So thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much, sir, for attending the session. And we will be meeting again in the main sessions. The batch starts from, I think, starts from the month of March. So thank you so much, kids. It was fun teaching all of you. My best wishes to all of you for whatever future endeavors you want to pursue or take. So thank you so much. God bless you. Have a great night. Bye.
Sir, thank you,
Take
sir.
care.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
you. Thank you, sir.